Amidst the controversy surrounding the alleged assault of AAP MP Swati Maliwal at Delhi CM Kejriwal's residence, during a live press conference, Delhi Minister and AAP leader Atishi dismissed Swati Maliwal's allegations as a part of BJP conspiracy. Atishi claimed that BJP orchestrated a plot and sent Maliwal to Kejriwal's residence, dubbing Maliwal as the face of this alleged conspiracy. Atishi's statement suggests that AAP views Maliwal's action as politically motivated and orchestrated by rival parties to discredit the AAP leadership. The police are taking Maliwal to Kejriwal's residence to recreate the scene of the crime. The Swati Maliwal assault issue threatens to derail Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal's election campaign. Reversing the chances of a flip, the AAP was expecting its poll chances post Kejriwal's interim bail. While Kejriwal has hit the campaign trail in Delhi, Punjab and Haryana after getting out from jail, all attention is on Maliwal's shocking charges against Kejriwal's right-hand man, Bibhav Kumar. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. Kejriwal's silence on the matter, especially after the incident happened inside Chief Minister's residence while he was present inside, has put the AAP in a bigger quandary. The CM's gesture to push the microphones away when asked about the issue in Lucknow has not helped the matter either, strengthening the perception that he is shielding Kumar, who was also spotted travelling alongside him to Lucknow on Thursday. Amidst this, Samajwadi Party leader also said that there are more important issues to discuss. According to the complaint, Maliwal, a former Delhi Commissioner for Women chief, was in the drawing room when Kumar entered and began shouting at her without provocation and proceeded physically assault her. Maliwal alleged that Kumar slapped her 7 to 8 times and repeatedly kicked her in the stomach and pelvis, despite her pleas for him to stop and mention that she was on her periods. Let's take a look at this footage.
I will do it. आज मैं इन लोगों को सबको बताऊं।
हाँ बता देना वो आपका हेडेक है।
आप मेरे को डीसीपी से बात करेंगे
अभी करा रहे हैं। आप आइए ना।
नहीं मैं एसएचओ सिविल लाइन से बात करूंगी पहले।
नहीं हम यहाँ नहीं कर सकते।
नहीं अब यही होगा जो करना है करो। और तुम्हारी भी नौकरी खाऊंगी अगर मेरे को टच करा।
तो सभी तो कह रहे हैं हम बड़ी रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
मैंने अभी 112 पे कॉल कर दिया, लेट द पुलिस का, उसके बाद में बात करूंगी।
तो पुलिस भी तो बाहर ही आएगी, वो यहाँ तक नहीं आएगी ना।
नहीं कुछ नहीं होता, अब अंदर ही आएगी जो होगा।
प्लीज कम विद मी। प्लीज
मैडम बात
प्लीज
उठा के पहनना।
हम रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं। हम तो रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
आज फेंक दो।
आप पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं, आपके साथ ऐसा थोड़ा
ये गंजा साला।
प्लीज मैडम नहीं, आप ऐसा ना बोलें।
Just because you are CCTV camera.
However, the authenticity of the video has not been confirmed yet. Maliwal claimed that during the incident, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was present at his residence. However, Kejriwal has not been named in the FIR. In her statement, Maliwal recounted Kumar's abusive word, quoting him as, "How can you not listen to us? What do you think, you disciple woman? We will teach you a lesson." According to Maliwal, the assault began around at 9 a.m. when Bibhav Kumar, Kejriwal's personal assistant, entered the drawing room where she was sitting and started shouting at her without any provocation. The FIR claims that Kumar slapped her 7 to 8 times, leaving her numb and shocked as she screamed for help. Maliwal described how Kumar then dragged her by her shirt, causing her to fall and hit her head on the center table. Despite continuous cries for help, no one intervened. The abuse escalated as Kumar allegedly kicked her repeatedly in chest, stomach and pelvis area. She said, and I quote, "My shirt was coming up, but he still continued to assault me." Even after informing that she was on her periods and unbearable pain, Kumar continued the assault with full force. Maliwal managed to free herself and called the police, but claimed that after Kumar threatened her, saying that he shall see to it and would bury her. According to Maliwal, Kumar then left the room and returned with security personnel from the main gate of CM's residence, after which she was asked to leave the premises. A video has surfaced showing a heated argument between Maliwal and the security personnel at Kejriwal's residence. In the FIR, Maliwal said, "I was in terrible state of shock at this unprovoked attack. I was deeply traumatized." Later, then she took an auto and went to the Civil Lines police station to report the matter. Upon reaching the police station, she said that she was having extreme cramps due to extreme trauma and not wanting to politicize the incident, she left the police station without filing a written complaint. AAP Rajya Sabha MP Swati Maliwal has described the alleged assault on her as one of the most difficult times in her life. She reported soreness in her arms, abdominal pain, and difficulty in walking. Maliwal expressed her devastation over experiencing such gunda behavior, especially given her lifelong work for women's rights and justice. In the FIR, Maliwal stated, "I am totally shattered and distraught that someone I have known for long can act so brutally." On Friday, Maliwal underwent a 3-hour medical checkup at AIIMS, Delhi. According to the medico-legal report, she sustained internal injuries to her face. Meanwhile, the Delhi police has intensified its search for Kejriwal's aide Bibhav Kumar. Police sources said that he could be in Amritsar. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates. As the political battleground heats up in Maharashtra, all eyes are set on the financial capital. 20 मई 5वां चरण मुंबई करेगा अपना भविष्य तय. High profile battles, high voltage campaigns and legacies at stake. The city is set to witness a massive show of strength of the ruling and the opposition alliances with simultaneous rallies. One last time before the voting. एक शहर दो विरोधी, जहां बीजेपी अपनी भव्य रैली शिवाजी पार्क में करेगी, वहीं दूसरी ओर इंडिया अलायंस करेगा अपनी एकता का प्रदर्शन बांद्रा कुर्ला कॉम्प्लेक्स में. Get ready as HW News English and HW News Network is all set to bring you every detail, every aspect straight from the ground. देखिए पीएम मोदी की एनडीए रैली लाइव हमारे चैनल HW News Network पर. While HW News English पे catch the opposition India blog's show of strength. And that's not all. Catch our managing editor Mr. Sujit Nair's live broadcast at 9 p.m. for insightful analysis and expert commentary on the events. Join us on HW News English and HW News Network as we decode the Battle of Mumbai 2024.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.